What's up, you guys? It's your girl Roz, and I'm back with another video. And today we're doing my sister's hair. We're not really technically doing it, but I'm fixing up what she don't maintain. And that's a big thing about synthetic hair, you guys. You guys have to maintain it. And when I tell you, I cannot stress it enough. When all my clients come and ask me how do I maintain it and will it last, no matter what hair you have in your head, it will last as long as you know what to do. Just like you do with your regular hair, do it with your weave. If you can take care of your regular hair, you can take care of your weave. So if your weave look crazy, that means you don't really too much care about your own hair itself, to be honest. So I'm basically just brushing out. This is synthetic hair. These are the inches of 24, 26, and 28. And this is the hair that I installed in my last video. If you guys can go back and check that out, I will put the link in the description box so you guys don't have to stress on trying to go and find it on my channel. And I didn't show it right then and there. I showed it at the end because this is also a mixture of showing how I help her put it up for the night. But I actually go back with my conditioner spray through Cream of Nature. And I spray it on the weave just to condition it. Brush it out with the wig brush and then go back with a regular brush to brush it, and I braid it up. See, she has not had a perm in years. I would say about 2 years. And she has very burnt, fried ends. Well, I really want to say fried ends because she barely used a flat iron. But she was having an issue with split ends, basically. And I cut off just so much bad hair on the ends. That's why you see as I'm combing through it, I can comb through the root all the way till I get towards the end. And I might be doing a few passes, but it's not going to hurt her hair whatsoever. I really am the person to help her maintain her hair. You also see me go back in and clip it as well. I actually even thought that it was going to be hard doing this, seeing how her edges were. Technically, she actually went and washed out the edge control that she had previously from when I did her hair about a week ago. You guys, I love doing hair. Like, this is my thing. Like, I just hate when I do hard work and I see it probably days later and it don't even look like something that I did. It's more like, don't tell nobody I did this, because why your hair looking like that? And a good key to having a great sewing is a great foundation. If you go back and look at my video, you will see that as well. I have a good foundation from when I braided up her hair. Look at that, you guys. That is just so messed up. And you see me cutting with what is it? Pedicure scissors. I use it for my eyebrows and everything. I have 3 pairs of these, so I have a gold, a silver, and a black pair. So I use these starting today. Well, starting the day I did this, which was yesterday, but it's being posted today. And I guess I'll be using this for little situations like this. Another thing you guys need to learn how to do is sanitize your product. Your tools and whatnot. You guys, I really don't know what to say or talk about in this video because I really wasn't planning on doing a voiceover. But at the same time, you guys need an explanation about what was going on and what I was doing. So I have to bring that to you guys. I will probably also do a video of like showing how I didn't even know I did all this in this video. What the heck? I'm just moving the camera and everything. This is so funny. So this is my Replenish stick that I use to kind of moisturize and help seal down the hair. Any fly hairs. This works very well on white women. For those who get like flat irons and presses and whatnot, and they have fly hairs. And it's also good for weaves as well. Whenever you have like a frontal lace closure or just regular weave, period. And some people don't like to cut off the little strands of hair that be at the root of the weft, because honestly that's what give it the thickness and the movement of the hair. But me personally, I will do anything just to keep the head from looking lumpy, clumped up, or just not authentic at all. This is way more easier now that I clipped her in. I should have did it the first time, but like I said, even though she's my sister, a client is a client. If you don't want anything touched on your head, I won't do it. If you don't want your hair cut, I won't do it. Even if I recommend it, I will do the best I can with you. But if I feel like I'm not going to achieve a decent look and I don't want you to walk out my house with my name on bullcrap, I will not allow it. So instead of you coming, I will turn you down. I started doing hair when I was about 6. And I remember I learned how to braid when I was 6. That's when everything started. My mom went to hair school herself, and she basically taught me how to braid. I learned from her. Look at that, you guys. We are looking decent. Time to get to them edges. Hopefully. Oh, what you guys see me doing right now is taking a little bit of edge control, like literally a little bit, and just like dabbing it on the end so they won't lift up. And I'm going back and I'm gonna brush it. This really works for me. I've never had a problem with anybody. No one's complaining about their hair feeling or looking a certain way. And it will not flake up. It won't turn white like how it be when it be on your edges. See, your edges produce heat, and you lay on your edges and you comb the edges and everything. The same thing you do with your hair, but the difference is with your edges is they're more sensitive and they need more attention, especially when you barely have any hair provided compared to your leave out, which is inches long compared to your edges. It all depends on the person anyway, because I've done seen people that did not have like anything to really work with, and I still had to make it shake. That's why they have that edge control for people who have problems with edges. What am I doing right here? Oh, that's what it was. Her not quite yet, but her track looked like it wants to come through her weave, but it's still fine. Well, that was it for this video, you guys. I want to get this out because one of my fans requested it. One of my followers. And if you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. You can just enjoy the rest of the process.